If you're in your main page of your Canvas course, over here on the left-hand side, you should see an option for rubrics. This could be turned off if you changed your navigation under settings, but you should still see it if even if it has one of these eyeballs next to it, it will be available for you. So once you have clicked on rubrics, you can come up here to the top and click on Add Rubric. And then right here, it's going to set you up with a sample rubric diagram here to get started with. You're going to give it a title. In my case, I'm creating a rubric for a Google Slides presentation. So I'm going to call it Slides Presentation Rubric. And then for criteria, these are the items that you're going to actually be analyzing. So they give you this first row here to work with. If you click on the edit pencil in this first box, it wants to know what your first criterion is, and that's going to be slides, because I want to assess the number of slides that my students have added. So I'm going to do, I can write in a description if I wanted to. I could do number of slides as my description. You'll see that shows here. And then what I want to do is a scale of 1 to 5 points. So for 5 points, which is already added, I'm going to click my edit pencil, and I'm going to do this one full credit. And for full credit, they will have all 5 slides as part of the requirement, or however many they may be. Then for 0 points, we can call that no credit. And then update. So then I need to add the 4, 3, 2, and 1 in here. So I'll do the plus, and I'll do 4. Maybe I'll say almost there for the title. And in this one, they'll have 4 slides created. Update. Then I need to do 3, 2, and 1. So once I have the first line, I have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 for a total of 5 possible points for the slides criteria. So if I come down here to right below it, I have an option to add another one. So if I add another, I can either do a new one, which will set it up just like I had it before, or I can duplicate this one. And in this case, I think duplicating is a good idea. So I'm going to duplicate slides. And for this criteria, it's going to be grammar. Take that out and then update. And then you'll see here, it went ahead and put in all of my 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So I didn't have to add those in again. So creating a duplicate is always going to save you a bit of time. So now all I have to do is click on each pencil, and instead of changing the title, I just change the description. So in this case, for 5 points, they have correct grammar throughout the complete presentation. Of course, talking about grammar, we'll change that, and I'll do update rating. And I'm going to go through each one of these again and edit those all the way down to 1, which would be too many grammatical errors. And I will keep adding criteria and the ratings throughout till I have an entire rubric created. So now that I have all of my criteria set up, I can now click on Create Rubric. And you'll see that it's added here, and I'll have it always under my course rubric, so I can use it multiple times or just once.